Hello everybody, in this video we are going to study about increment operator which can be used as prefix and postfix. So prefix, if you use the increment operator before the operand, here x is an operand, and if you write down it before it, then this is called as prefix notation. And if you write it after the operand, like here, this is a postfix notation. Now there is difference between prefix and postfix. The difference is that if you write down or if you use this prefix notation in your program, then what will happen? The value of x is incremented by 1, then it returns the value. So for instance, suppose if the initial value of x is 1, then first it will be incremented by 1, means it will become 2, and then it will return the value. And similarly, if you are using postfix, like here, if you are using this notation, then what will happen? First, the original value of x will be returned, and then x is incremented by 1. Means first, if in an expression this postfix expression is used, then first the original value of x will be returned, and then only it will be incremented by 1. Now let's try to understand this by the help of a Java program. So here we are with our BlueJ editor. Now we create a new class. We are going to create a class. So any name you can provide. Suppose I'm providing a name as operator. Then double click it. Here we have the editor of this where we write the program. So we write down public class operator. Whatever name you want, you can give over here. Then public static void main. String args. Now in this program we are not going to accept any value from the user, so we don't need any scanner class. We will directly provide the value in the variable itself. So we take two variables, let it be int a comma b. Initially we are going to take the value of a, anything. Suppose the value of a is 10, and now we are going to apply this postfix and prefix increment operators over here. So suppose if I write down b equals to plus plus a plus 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 a plus 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 a. So suppose we want to find out that what will be the value of b if you use this prefix operators like this. So here we have prefix, this increment operator in prefix notation, means this is written before the value of, before the operand a. So plus plus a plus 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 a plus 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 a, and now we are going to print the value. We will find out what will be the value of b after this expression is evaluated. So here you can see that initially the value of a is 10. So here b, what will be the output? So we will first try to compile. We will compile this program. We will see the output, and then we will try to understand that how we are getting this output. So let's compile it. We will close. Then we will check the output. Here you can see that the output is 36. So now let's try to understand that how we are getting the output of this program as 36. Here this was our code. As you can see here, this was our code, and let's try to understand that how we are getting the output as 36. So here this is our main calculation which is happening. So initial value of a is 10, and then b's value we have to find out using this expression. So what will be the value of b? So here the first thing is plus plus a, means the value of a will be first incremented, as we studied just now that in prefix notation the value of the variable will be incremented. So here it will be plus plus 10, so that will be equal to 11. Then again we have a plus sign, so plus sign will be here, again plus plus a. Now the value of a is 11, which we found just now. Plus plus a will give the value, will again increase the value of a by 1, so now it will be 12. So here we have 12, and then again plus plus a, means now the value of a is again going to increment by 1, so it will be 13. So 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. So now we can see that what will be the value of b? Value of b will be equal to 11 plus 12 plus 13. So this will be equal to 26. So this is how we got the output of b as equal to 26. Now in this program itself we are going to do a slight change. Like here we are having all the operators as prefix. Now we will also have one postfix expression, and let's see what will be the change in output. For instance, suppose here instead of plus plus a, I write down a plus plus, and now we will compile this program and see what will be the output. So we compile this, we get no error, and we see the output of this program. So let's see what will be the output. Here you can see now the output is 35. Before we got, when we all the operators were in prefix notation, that time we got 36, but now we are getting 35. Now let's see that how we are getting the output as 35. So just now we did a slight change in the program. Here we have used a postfix operator as well, like here plus plus a and plus a plus plus. So what will be the output? Just now we saw that the output has been decreased by 1. Now how this is happening? Let's try to find out the value of b. So here initial value of a is 10. Let's find out the value of b. So here plus plus a, so this will be first, this a's value will be incremented by 1 because this is prefix. So here this will be 11 plus, now here we have a plus plus, means this is in postfix notation. So first, just now we studied that in postfix notation first the original value of the variable will be taken and then it will be incremented. So here at present the value of a is 11, so here first we will take 11 only, then only its value will be incremented. Now here plus plus means now it will become 12. 12 plus, again here you have plus plus a, so first it has become 12, now it will become 13 plus plus a, so we write down 13. So this is how we will get 11 plus 11 plus 13. So our value of b will be equal to 25. So this is what we got the output just now when we compile this program, and we saw that we got the value of this expression as 25. Here we have the slight difference. The difference is that here we have a postfix operator. In postfix what happens, the initial value will be taken. So here we have the initial value of a is, first it is here it will be incremented to 11. So here when we have this postfix operator, so here 11 will only be used and then it is going to increment, means then it will become 12, and again here we have this prefix operator, so that will be incremented to 13 and then we get the final output as 25. So this is how this postfix and prefix operator work. Hope you have understood this topic and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.